Welcome to our YouTube channel, guys. Today we are going to show you how to make a smoke gun. Firstly, we apologize for not publishing videos for some time because here in Indian administered Kashmir we don't have access to 4G and 3G internet, and we are still using 2G, and it's almost been a year that 4G is blocked. This is some tape. This is a matchbox. This is a balloon. This is a cutter. These are two incense sticks. This is a bottle. Guys, we are going to cut this bottle with the help of this cutter, or you can say blade. So guys, we have cut this bottle. See what it looks like now. Guys, we are going to cut this balloon, and then we are going to fix that balloon on this bottle. We are going to cover this bottle with this balloon. So guys, we have covered the cut end of this bottle with this red colored balloon. So see what it looks like now. Guys, we are going to use some tape so that this gets fixed more tightly. So guys, we have fixed this with this tape, and so this is more tight now. And so guys, we have covered it with some tape. Guys, now we are going to burn these incense sticks first, then we'll show you what we are going to do. So we have burnt one, and now we have burnt both of these with the help of this matchstick. These are going to produce some pleasant smell. And now see what we are going to do. We are putting these two incense sticks in this bottle, and we are going to keep this bottle upside down. Yeah, like this. Most of the smoke will get accumulated inside this bottle, and a very little amount will come out through its lid. So this bottle is full now with this incense. So guys, this bottle is full of smoke now. Guys, this is ready now. On pulling that balloon, first we pull that balloon, then we leave that, and it produces round balls of smoke, but we are not able to catch that on camera clearly. We are going to show you that in another way. Guys, see what we are going to do. You see, these papers are moving, and these are falling onto the ground, and so it confirms that it produces round balls of smokes. But we can't show you those round balls because our camera isn't that good. So you see what we are doing. We are first pulling this, and then we leave this. So if you like our video, please give us a thumbs up, and please subscribe to our channel. And if your friends are passionate about these kinds of things, then please share these videos with your friends. And it's goodbye for now.